So friends, Samsung seems all set to hold its next major Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2025 to launch its innovative iterations including the latest software versions, next generation foldable phones and some more. Ritually, the Korean tech giant holds two major Galaxy Unpacked events in a year, one in the first half to debut the latest Galaxy S series and the other in the second half to introduce the latest foldable phones and a few more devices. Now, the company is looking forward to hosting its second Unpacked event for the year in July. A reliable tipster Anthony shared a post on X revealing what innovations are coming at the Galaxy Unpacked event. According to the tipster, Samsung will introduce multiple latest iterations at the event, including the latest software versions, Android 16 based One UI 8, next generation foldable phones, Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Flip FE. The tipster also mentioned a few more novelties under rumored releases, which are as Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, Galaxy Ring 2, new Galaxy Buds, and Galaxy XR headset. However, the tipster didn't mention the exact date for the Galaxy Unpacked event, but it's most anticipated to be held in early July. Since Samsung has yet to reveal the official list of iterations it will introduce at the event, and it remains to be seen whatever this report will come true. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.